Three, two, one.
Can I thank the Prime Minister for advance copy of his statement? And can I start by raising the case of Alaa Abdel Fattah?
Yes.
As the Prime Minister knows and has said, he's a British citizen, jailed for the crime of posting on social media and been imprisoned in Egypt for most of the last 9 years. He's been on hunger strike for the last 6 months. Now, the Prime Minister just said that he raised it with President Sisi. Can he tell us what progress he made in securing Alaa's release? Jailed for the crime of posting on social media. Jailed for the crime of posting on social media.